guys, what's guys, Marinos? Welcome to Wacky Wednesday. So today I don't have that much to talk about, so I'm practically just gonna burp for you. So yeah. Because I've got a few people saying that they want to hear me burp more, which I think is really disgusting. But you tell me. You're the one who tells me what to do. So yeah, okay. Oh, that was really hot. And let the burping begin. I can feel it right there. There you go. Anyway, so yeah, on Wednesdays I just go to class, have one class, and I sit at the back with Greg and Locke, and we do our work. We work so well together, all of us. We're just like, yeah, too cool for school. And then I go home. Oh, then I go home and I do this and then I eat. This is not what I wanted. This is not what I planned. Mum's gonna come home and she's gonna be like, where's all the food? And I'll just be like, guys, got hungry. Sus guys, very nice. That's really great. Wait. I wanna play. I wanna play. Pew! Every day I'm shuffling. That was actually feral. I apologize for that one. Okay. Time to shuffle. I'm actually not in the mood to dance at all, so this could be completely horrible. Okay.
Shake that. Every day I'm shuffling.
I can't love doing this.
Step up fast and be first girl to make me throw this cash. We get money, don't be mad, now stop. Hate is bad. One more shot for us. Another round, please fill up a cup. That's around, you just want to see. Shake it out now, you can home with me. Get naked now. Get down, put your hands up to the sun. Get up, get down, put your hands up to the sun. Get up, get down, put your hands up to the sun. Put your hands up to the sun. Put your hands up to the sun. Get up, get up, get up, get up.
Oh, I know. Katharina. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry for the grossness. That's really great. But yeah, so some people requested it, so I thought I'd do it. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next week, which is fine. Hopefully, yeah, hopefully, I don't know what's gonna be hopefully, but it's gonna be there, so it's okay. It's okay. Okay. I think the Pepsi is just gone. So ciao for now, bambinos.